So we're just driving around Edmonton. We're waiting to get our Patriot dual exhaust. I don't know if you guys know what Patriot dual exhaust is, but this is a video that we're gonna make just so that we have an installation video based on a V6 Ford Ranger. So the Ford Ranger already has what do you call it, glass packs already installed. Yeah, my hair is just like all over the place. It has little glass packs installed already, and it sounds pretty aggressive. But I'm the kind of guy that likes to have my, if I'm gonna buy a vehicle, like I bought this vehicle like for $1,500 at one time, and we installed the front end from a 2010. We put the, what do you call, the flare side box in the back, and we basically changed up everything. We got some louvers in the back. We got some, even some, well, just a little grill and old school 15-inch rims. You guys have probably already saw that video already on what we did to what do you call, make this vehicle look pretty good. But now we're gonna get some 50-inch Patriot side dual exhaust on a 3.0, and here's my man here, Wayne.
Hello, good morning.
So that's exactly what our thing is today, and our Patriots should be in today. We're gonna go do a little bit of our own little work today, but stay tuned. We'll take you from the next scene. You'll probably see us if we got the package at home. We'll show you what we have in there, and then we'll go down to our favorite custom what do you call, exhaust place. It's called Alta Customs. Guy's name is what do you call, Ghoul. I think you guys saw the video last time with basically how to make a, how to put on what do you call, true dual exhaust, cut out taking out the Cadillac converters and our cheater valve. But it's probably going to be the same thing. It's just a matter of just switching the pipes over, and we'll take a look at the vehicle. So we got the Patriot dual exhaust. Just wanted to see. They came in here. So here we go. The side pipes. Amazon just came in today, and they look, I don't know how they look, but here's exactly what it looks like for now. We got the side pipes here. Shouldn't be too much of a problem, I don't think. Come down here and drop the pipes in here with the existing pipes, maybe, you know. So hopefully the guy that we have can do it, you know, without no problems, right? So we'll see. We have it on the hoist. So we come to the machine shop, and we're gonna come see Ghoul. There he is, Ghoul, the man. And this is what he put on today. And that looks fucking sexy. Oh, wow.
Maybe you want me to start it up for you?
Yeah, I started it up. That looks freaking sexy. I don't really give a shit what anybody says. There we go. And that's from Ghoul. The master, the man, the myth, the legend. I don't think I ever seen a truck like that before in my life. And that is exactly how you do it. 50-inch Patriot exhausts. And that is exactly how you do it. I'm very satisfied. Okay, turn it on. And that's how the Patriot dual exhaust looks from the Ford Ranger.
Oh my God.
And there you go.
Like the Ford Ranger,